how to fix cellular data not working. So let's get started. First thing first, ensure that your cellular data is enabled. Go to the settings and tap on the cellular and make sure your cellular data is turned on. After that, first thing you need to focus is restart your iPhone. Hold down the power button and volume button on iPhone X and later until the slide to the power off slider appears, and slide to turn off, then hold the power button again to turn it back on. After this, all you have to do is go to the settings app on your mobile device, and inside the settings, make sure to toggle on and off the cellular data option available there. After you do all this, all you have to do is go to the general option available there. Now inside the general, scroll down and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone, and tap on the reset and tap on reset all settings and reset all your phone. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.